Hello everyone, I am Sunil Kumar. In this lecture, I am going to solve the recurrence relation using substitution method. So let us solve. So let's suppose one recurrence relation is given to us. T of n is T of n equal to T of n by 2 plus let's say C. So let us try to find the time complexity of this recurrence relation by using substitution method. So see, let's say termination condition is given and T of 1 equal to 1 again. So C means what we can do, we have to eliminate this function calling. We have to eliminate this function calling in order to get the value of T of n. So we have to again follow the same approach. Means first let us assume this is equation number 1. Let me write this equation. So T of n equal to T of n by 2 plus C. So this is my equation number 1. So in this equation, if I substitute, if I replace this n by 2. So if I replace n by 2, so I will get the value of T of n by 2. So let us replace T of n by 2 equal to, if I replace this n by 2, so 2 is already there, so it is going to be n upon 2 square plus C. So let us substitute this value. Now, so plus, it is nothing but plus C. What is the value of T of n by 2? T of n by 2 is nothing but T of n upon 2 square plus C. So let us simplify this. So it is going to be T of n upon 2 square plus 2C. Now let us substitute one more time, then we'll understand what series we are getting. So now this time I want to find the value of n upon 2 square. So what I can do, I can simply replace this n by n upon 2 square. So this is my equation number 1. If I substitute n upon n equal to n upon 2 square in this equation number 1, then I'll be able to get the value of T of n upon 2 square. So let us substitute. So this is it is going to be n upon 2 square equal to T of n upon, now see, I am substituting n upon 2 square. So 2 is already there, so it is going to be 2q plus C. So now let us substitute. So it is going to be what? Plus 2C is already there. Now let me substitute this value. So it is going to be T of n upon 2q plus C. Now if you simplify, so it is going to be n upon 2q plus 3C. Now so I have understood the pattern, what pattern it is following. If I substitute one more time, so it is going to be n upon 2 raised to power 4 plus 4C. So up to what term I should continue this? I can continue, let us assume I am continuing up to kth term. Kth term. So it is going to be n upon 2 raised to power k plus k into C. So now, but I do not know the value of n upon 2 raised to power k. So what I can assume, if I assume n upon 2 raised to power k equal to 1, then it will, if I replace this, n upon 2 raised to power k is by 1. So if I replace, then I'll be so it is going to be k into C. Now, so if I simplify this, so let us try to find the value of k. So n is going to be 2 raised to power k. If you take log both the sides, so it is going to be log n base 2. So log base 2 raised to power k. So it is going to, k will move on this side. So k is going to be k equal to log n base 2. So this is what the value of k. Now, so let us replace T of 1 is nothing but 1. So T of 1 is what? 1 plus k is what? Log n into C. So 1 and C is constant, so you can ignore constant. So time complexity is what? Log base 2 n. So this is what the time complexity for this question.